Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free Zems and Coins in the ZEPETO. No jailbreaker computer is needed, so just go ahead and go to this website. It's called zoomods.com, and once you're here, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in ZEPETO, and there it is. Press on it and just wait for it to download. So if you have a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but yeah, just let it download the mod. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to download it again. But if you go to the App Store and type in ZEPETO, you'll see it is super expensive. I don't even have the normal game installed. I just have the mod. But as you can see, here's the app. And then we go to in-app purchases. You can see it's super expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. And it fully works. So as you can see, I have tons of coins and Zems on the ZEPETO. So yeah, try it out for yourself. This is super cool. And it fully works. So if this video works, you guys be sure to go ahead and share it because this is super awesome. And you don't have to jailbreak your device or anything, so pretty cool. I really like ZEPETO, so having a mod is great because I can get unlimited coins and Zems. So yeah, all you gotta do is go to ZooMods and just type in ZEPETO, and there it is. So just press on it and you're gonna be good to go. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. Fully works. So if this video works, you guys be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super sick. Like, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, I have so much. So yeah, this does not require a computer or anything, so don't get scared. You also do not have to jailbreak your device, which is pretty cool. So I'd encourage everyone to try this at least once because it's super sick. And ZEPETO is a fun game, but if you're poor, it's kind of boring. But I'll see you guys later. So yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out. This is so cool.